Hey guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Metrel DeltaPAT Go Print Kit. So as you can see, it does come in a transit case here and it does have multiple sections, so make sure you check them all. So in the main section of this package we have the Metrel DeltaPAT Portable Appliance Tester, one of the most popular systems we do sell. It does connect to your Android device, it's got Bluetooth, connects to printer and the like. Inside the main section we also have the manual, calibration certificate, and most importantly the QR code to register your machine with the Android device for this kit to operate. Next we have the thermal printer. This is a direct thermal printer. It is provided with a roll of labels as well as a belt strap there so you can clip it to your belt. And obviously it does come with a power supply, AC DC connection. Now in this side section we have two IEC leads. Now one is used for powering up the device, the other one's for testing extension leads, power boards and UPSs. And lastly within the kit we have the 4mm test leads. So you do have an interchangeable probe, Crocodile clip and the standard test lead to connect it all. Alright, that's everything that comes with the package guys. If you have any questions please reach out to the team. Happy to help. We'll see you next time.